This treatment is so soothing to the scalp. It's going to treat your scalp, give way to new healthy hair growth, and also prevent hair breakages. When I started my hair growth journey, I was struggling to grow my hair. My hair was thinning out, breaking a lot. But after discovering natural ingredients and learning how to use them the right way, now my hair is much thicker, fuller, and more beautiful. I'm just amazed at how fast my hair is growing. And today I'm going to show you one simple but effective remedy. So make sure you're watching to the end. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple remedy that you can use to boost your hair growth. I'm also going to demonstrate the best way to use this recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it. So make sure you're watching every part of this video. But before getting into all that, I would love to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers. I really do appreciate you coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, commenting, and even sharing my videos. And if you're stopping by for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. In today's recipe, one of my natural ingredients is bay leaves. Bay leaves is really great when it comes to hair growth. It is a natural conditioner that will condition your hair to prevent it from breaking. In other words, it's going to help you to return some length. The next ingredient I'm going to use today is my rosemary herbs. Feel free to use the fresh rosemary or the dry ones. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of my rosemary herbs to this recipe. Rosemary is one of the most powerful natural ingredients that stimulates hair growth. It is going to treat your scalp from dandruff and also improve blood circulation in the scalp to give way to new healthy hair growth. The next ingredient I'm going to use today is my dry mint. Mint leaves are also powerful when it comes to hair growth. You can use the fresh mint leaves, but today I'm going to use the dry mint leaves. These mint leaves smell amazing. When used in your hair care remedies, it is going to stimulate hair growth by improving blood circulation in the scalp. It is also going to treat your scalp from any scalp diseases that may hinder hair growth. After adding everything together in a pot, I'm going to top it up with water. And I'm going to transfer it into the stove and allow it to boil. And here you are. If you're still watching me to this point and haven't done the rules, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and do not know the rules around here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And don't let me do all the talking. I want to hear from you in the comment section on your thoughts on this recipe. And do not forget to share this video with your loved ones as well as on your social media platforms, because you might not know who you'll be helping to solve their hair problems or to grow their hair much faster. Alright, so after the water starts to boil, I'm only going to boil this for 5 minutes and set it aside to cool down. Once you have this recipe cool down, the next thing you're going to do is to strain it. But there is one more ingredient I'm going to add to this recipe to even make it work much better. So make sure you're watching every part of this video, because even though this recipe is so powerful, if you do not know the right way to use it or the best way to incorporate it in your hair care regimen, you might not get all the benefits out of it. But guess what? Since I'm not greedy and I'm spilling all the tea to the tea, I'm going to tell you the best way to use this remedy. So make sure you are watching to the end. Alright, so this is what we have it now, and at this point I'm going to add some oil to this recipe. Use any plant-based oil that works for your hair. But today I'm going to use pure grapeseed oil because I love what it does to my hair. Grapeseed oil can help strengthen your hair strands to prevent them from breaking, and with doing that, it's going to help you return some length. It is also going to add some shine to your hair. It easily absorbs into the hair strands and helps strengthen your hair strands. Alright, so at this point, I'm just going to transfer my recipe into my applicator bottle. As you can see, it is a very simple remedy and easy to prepare. So once you have in your applicator bottle like so, there are so many ways that you can use this. But today I'm going to show you one effective way that I use this recipe in order to return some length, some thickness, and also to boost my hair growth. So make sure you're watching the next step on how to use this amazing remedy. Alright, so my hair is all twisted out and it's time to take the twist down. I've had this in for about 3 to 4 weeks And before taking down any braided hair, make sure you moisturize your hair before taking it down. Otherwise, you're going to experience a lot of hair breakages. Most people complain their hair do not grow, they're experiencing stunted growth and all that. The secret to hair growth is returning some length. If your hair keeps breaking, it's going to be hard for you to return the length and also some thickness. Because even if you grow new healthy hair from your scalp and you do not protect the older part of your hair, which is the ends of your hair or your hair strands, they will end up breaking and it will seem that your hair is not growing. So make sure whatever you can do to prevent your hair from breaking is something you take seriously. So whenever I'm about to take down my braided hair, I use one of my DIYs like so, spray it all over my hair, then after that I go in with my conditioner. I'm going to use this as a pre-poo. So after I apply my conditioner to every part of my hair like so, and also massaging in the hair growth spray, I'm going to cover my hair with a rubber cap for 30 minutes to make sure this remedy I just prepared penetrates into my hair strands, into my scalp to stimulate new healthy hair growth and also prevent my hair strands from breaking. So after leaving in my hair for 30 minutes, I'm going to take the rubber out. Then I'm still going to spray my hair with more of the remedy to moisturize my hair because I want my hair to be really moisturized before taking down this old twist. After soaking my hair with this hair mist, I'm now going to gently take down my twist. Doing it this way will make it so much easier to take them down, reduce the pain that it might cause. When you have natural hair, sometimes it's really painful taking down your twist, and also it is going to help protect my hair and prevent them from breaking. As you can see, my hair is really moisturized. Even though it is dirty and it's my wash day, it still looks really moisturized because of the remedy I just used. Another way you can use this hairspray is to use it every day as your hair moisturizer. Instead of using regular water to wet your hair, you can always use this to spray on your scalp, on your hair strands to moisturize your hair. Then after that, go in with your leave-in conditioner. Whenever your hair feels dry, make sure you're applying some kind of water and a leave-in conditioner in it. And that is when you can use this. This is not just water. Because of the natural ingredients put together, it is going to help improve blood circulation in your scalp to improve new healthy hair growth. It is also going to strengthen your hair strands to prevent them from breaking. So make sure you're incorporating some kind of natural ingredients hairspray in your hair care regimen to help you grow your hair much faster. The trick is you just need to be very consistent with it. Consistency is key, and that is the only way you can get anything done. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you have already given this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I know you have already subscribed. But before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster.